welcome to episode 2 of Down at the Unit. Gonna nickname it Datu, just something catchy, and I'm a loser like that, so why not? Today I'm just gonna have a quick play around and sort my hydraulic handbrake out for my racing simulator, and also add my oil filter sandwich plate so I can look to start wiring my gauges into the Starlet. Obviously it's going to be a fun one, so let's get into it. This is the handbrake. As you can see, it's a bit dirty at the moment because obviously I've been messing around with it. There's the little Arduino which plugs in via a micro USB onto the analog port, so it picks up a signal and it goes straight to the transducer. I think it's a 300 PSI transducer. On the master cylinder, this is an all-in-one master cylinder, so it has the reservoir built into it. You can do fancy plumbing, but this is more than good enough for me. And obviously once I've uploaded the code to the Arduino, and then you plug it into your laptop just to see, and it comes up as Arduino Micro, which you'll see there, and obviously the micro properties. So when I pull the handbrake, you get a response off the throttle. Very nice. And I have filled this up with .4 braking clutch fluid. So yeah, that's my hydraulic handbrake. These are the gauges that I have. Multi-DA gauge, Greddy ones, digital and analog, which is always nice. I got these for a steal over a year ago. For the price I paid, they were definitely worth it. I've run depot gauges for about 2 or 3 years. They have 7 colours on them, they switch, and they've been more than reliable enough. The oil sandwich plate, which you can see there. I've already took the liberties to put the senders on. Plenty of PTFE tape, which is a must these days, and obviously my adapters are somewhere to fit onto the oil filter housing. So yeah, I'm gonna get into fitting these. Hate this part. Usually you can tell how good or bad your oil is. Gonna wipe it and have a quick look. Just look like some metal filings. Doesn't look anything to worry about. Nah. General wear and tear of an engine. Must have. Yeah, that's not too bad considering that's the most legal tyre on the bloody car. I need to look at changing the oil return pipe because I think there's a bit of a leak. See there's a bit of a leak that comes from the oil return from the turbo. So I probably want to get that sucked out. Right there, I will circle it after the video so you'll see it in the editing. I'll circle where it is, where I need to shave. I have to take the washer fluid bottle out because it's in the way. I can't get the bottle out otherwise. And there's two. It's only two 10mm. My trusted friend impact drill. Right, here is a modified one. Take these out. Top one's gone missing. Has that bit shaved so the unit can sit. Also the sandwich plate can sit properly. It's just a quick mod you have to do. It's only a quick shaving, so just a case of shaving it and you're good to go, really. Pulling an oil filter off can be a pain in the ass sometimes, but sometimes it helps if you've got some tools. Like that. Boom. This one has a decent bloody oil filter on it. Let's get the oil underneath it. This has a lovely Greddy oil filter. Lovely oil filter. As you can see, how nice and snug that is. Right, I'm going to leave it there for this episode. So there's a few more things to do in the next episode. The power steering pump, I need to put that back on. I've already put the bracket on. Once the power steering pump's back on, pop it back on, put the washer ball back in, put the hoses that I've disconnected back on. There's a few parts I need to buy, an oil filter, oil, and I do have another fuel filter, so I might just change that as well while I'm at it. And I've obviously got a sump plug, which I've had for a while, just haven't used it. So yeah, after I've done that, I will start doing the wiring, and obviously I will see you all in the next episode for that. So please like, comment, subscribe, dislike, whatever you like, just as long as you're following me, and hopefully the next episode should be a good one. So see you in the next one, guys. Take it easy.